Welcome to Zero3 Communications.
We are excited to have you on board. Once you have accepted our quotation and completed the formalities, here is where the fun begins. Our team is on hand to conduct a comprehensive pre-installation process to ensure that the implementation of your new phone system goes smoothly. Meet Alicia, our installation coordinator. She is your go-to person for ensuring that the implementation of your new phone system goes without a hitch. Alicia's first task is to gather all the essential details from you, working closely with you to understand your needs and preferences, including naming and labeling your telephone. She will gently hold your hand through this process. Don't worry, it's easy. Once Alicia has all the necessary information, she will pass the torch to our technical team. Say hello to Francis, Jason, Adrian, Sean, and Mark, the heart and soul of our installation process. They are the ones who will work their magic to ensure your new phone system is flawlessly installed. Our technical team will ensure that every wire is connected, every button is programmed, and every feature gets tailored to your unique requirements. With their expertise, your new phones will be ringing in no time. And that is Sarah from Provisioning. If you've made the smart choice to move your lines to Zero3 Telecom, she will be responsible for getting your paperwork completed and ensuring we can deliver your lines quick smart. Once the installation is complete, Alicia will be back on site to provide comprehensive training for you and your staff. Our friendly team will ensure the day of the installation goes smoothly, with minimal interruption, other than some lame dad jokes throughout the day.
We are excited to work with you and can't wait to show you what Zero3 Communications can do for you. Thanks for choosing us.